too much going on for me right there, bro.
It's like a woman. She's smooth and succulent and spicy at the same time, but she slides down your throat.
Oh. Can we get that mango recipe?
Man, I do this shit for no way. I don't know
You're so special. Clear separation between the good and the bad. Good and bad.
Cheers. Alright, cheers. We didn't start. Yeah. Hey y'all, welcome to Food, Booze, and Friends. Today we're going to talk about beers and beards. With me, I have my bestest of friends. To my right, we have Black. Right, we have my best friend of 10 years, Ojenga. And to the left, we have my good friend Danny, who actually just flew in from Florida today, and he's filming an episode with us.
Let's go.
We're going to split into teams. We're going to do some competitions based on beers, and we're going to do a little bit of cooking. Whoever gets the 2 longest toothpicks, they're going to be on the team.
And shit.
Ooh. Short. This is no representation of anything that may be.
No, it is.
It is. Take it. No,
I am circumcised.
Shut up, hold up. All right. Now it's accurate.
Alright, so me and Ojenga's gonna be on the same team. Obviously, that makes sense. The next part of our show is gonna be the wing challenge. We got a bag of chicken sitting in the sink waiting for us to cook up. We have about so you have different ways to cook it. You can fry it on the stove. You got an air fryer, or you can cook it in the oven.
Can I use rap lyrics?
You can use rap lyrics. You can use whatever's in the kitchen. You can use whatever's in the fridge to cook your chicken.
What are you talking about? We're gonna do that right now.
Fire, boy.
Oh my God. Like wings are easy. You just gotta.
There you go.
There we go. Alright, we got light bulbs.
Alright, strainer. Oh shit. I got dry rub.
Do you?
Yeah. I got the newest cayenne dry rub. You don't need anything else except that. Frying something.
I just don't want honey. Easy. Say no more. Honey barbecue.
Spicy maple, remember?
Nigga. Also, they gave me my goddamn sriracha.
It's like sour. It's like a lot of
So, B, we can't say that.
Brandon, you're not participating?
3 big guys over here. I don't know how I'm gonna fit.
Just take the rest of us. Alright, that's all. Oh, you really trying to get in the show?
Can you tell me some jalapenos?
Be honest. Maybe like a little. Maybe honest. Pumpkin jack with a little sweet. I'm going to do honey or maple. Fuck it, throw it in there. It's for the show.
Throw it in the bag.
You guys are wild. Woo! It's about to be lit. We lit. We're over here. All right, now we need something to offset. Offset. Drop it in.
Doors locked.
All right.
No more locked doors.
Ojenga, how you want to slice? You want to dice?
Oh, you got brown sugar?
Yeah, I got brown sugar. It's on top of the cabinet. All the way to the left. You gotta spin that little wheel thing.
You guys ever watch Bear cooking?
Yeah, bro, you already know. Long sleeve shirt to back, I see you.
Always.
So, what do you got?
Wings.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, my beer.
Whatever you want, bro.
When he revolutionized the wing. Different wings.
This is an award-winning.
Did you guys know why? Did you know why oil pops? Yeah, the water expands.
Because they're gangbangers. So,
So clean your fucking mess, dude.
You know, I shouldn't be making these like amateur mistakes. You know, while I was seasoning my chicken, I would have warmed my oil. I would have had a breading ready with some eggs. These guys are just really just like throwing something together. So you know, whatever. You cannot judge people for what they don't know, kind of thing. You know.
This is my best friend. We went to middle school together. I used to bully him. Yeah, but now he bullies me.
Sure. Yeah, I was like, yeah, it's real.
Are you ever ready for your wing? No.
Nah, but it's more than normal though. pan people. I can't see. I'm not getting up to be on the show, but I can be in the back seat. Once it connects, when I get some, it's over, son. Oh, you bullshit that. So you got wine, 40.
Remember the sauce though, brown sugar.
Chicken teriyaki.
You want spicy noodle? Wing
My
it.
method is to wing it.
Oh my gosh.
Really? Wing it?
Wing it. That's what we do.
Freddie JB, part of one half of Two Stupid Dogs. We got an episode coming soon. I forgot, was it December something?
Beard gang! Beard gang! That's how you eat your flat?
That's how you ask,
How you eat your drums? Rare, medium rare. It's all good. This ain't steak, bro.
Eating chicken fucking medium well. If you want your chicken medium well, here, use this.
You can fry one wing at a time.
Alright, done. That's not being fried away, that one's got to turn.
Freddie, you got sauce.
Maple. Alright. Got some of this Jacko Blast. Some brown sugar with my sauce.
I'll tell this conversation one more time. It's so good. You just put right in quick in the air fryer.
You check the air fried chicken. You gotta flip it every now and then.
Really? He has a check. He has a check.
You gotta do a little flip.
This should be nasty as fuck, dry as hell.
Dry, bro. No tenderness.
I love
Do they come out actually fried?
They're air fried, dummy.
Like crispy, like a fried chicken?
Well, I'm gonna put them in the oven so they really crisp up.
Really crispy.
Stop being so weird, nigga.
Alright guys, one more time cooking our chicken.
Alright, B, let's put this in the oven or
Alright. Oh shit, that looking super crispy.
it's my big cup of coffee.
How that taste? How that taste? Alright. Enough said. So Danny, how long have you been growing your beard out, brother?
2 months.
That was a question?
2 months.
You just started growing out because you was in the National
Yeah,
Guard,
I'm in
right?
National Guard, so I cut it every month.
Hey,
But I haven't gone in a couple months, so I've
you
been
for your
growing
service.
out. Thank you for.
Oh,
Jenga, how about you? When did you start growing your beard out, brother?
I started growing my beard. Woo! It's been a while. I go through phases. I shave it off. It's been about like 3 years, 4 years now.
That's 3 years worth.
Oh no, this is about like 2 months. It's like 2.
Black, what are your thoughts when somebody says a beard is a man's makeup?
A beard is a man's makeup?
Yup, you know how girls...
Bitches got beards.
Oh shit.
Oh my god! That's his question.
Yo, but I'm gonna tell you right now, if I shave my beard off, I'll be ugly as fuck.
Nigga, you ugly now, nigga.
Oh, wow.
We ain't judging you. I've been growing my shit out for like 3 years. It's been a little bit of a struggle, but you see it though. You see it though.
yeah.
Something's
Oh, yeah,
coming.
yeah.
Something's coming. You know what I'm saying? Look at the. Oh my god.
Damn, I see the pores.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
Waiting. We'll be waiting.
We'll be waiting.
I just ate one.
I'll Google something.
Yo, put the wig. Yo.
Alright,
Freddie's beard joke.
Oh wait, you gotta get the wig. What do you call a man without a beard?
Dumb.
Bitch. Oh.
Female.
A woman. Yeah. How can you tell if a man with a beard is gay or straight?
This is beard to mustache.
The smell. What do you call a goat with a beard?
I don't know.
LeBron James.
A goatee.
How's that say that?
How did the barber win the race?
You cut the line.
Clever, but it wasn't it. But that was pretty good.
Yeah.
No, he took a shortcut.
No, I know he was trying to tell me just put it in there because the oil was inside. That's what I told you.
So you get that bang over there,
Right?
Those are good.
That one. The strategy was that we winged it. That's all, man. Like, you know, it's right at the end of it with the flavor at the end of the bone.
Your wings, they are real juicy though.
They're good though. Like
Texture, bro.
They always the fucking the fry your shit.
That kick though, like you said, that kick gives you a nice little kick.
Yeah,
There's like
and
garlic
both
undertone,
better, too.
and there's sriracha, and then there's the fucking
Like
soy
this is-
backup.
Like this is the perfect to eat with the flat because it literally falls off. You know what
Yeah.
I'm saying? That one rubs off. It's got that stick to it.
Fucking
So they're both. I mean, honestly, they both can be clear winners because in their own right. But that one,
Ah,
Tastes like
tiny, yeah.
seasonal to this time of year.
yeah, exactly.
Next October beer.
Oktoberfest. Love that.
I had bean.
Alright, that's an L for y'all niggas.
So we all guess our beers.
We.
The next 6 beers. Kayla's not gonna tell us which one is right until the very end, until we guess all 6.
There's a citrus undertone.
Swirl it around, D.
Did you ask for all week?
All right, so Jingle, what is it?
But there's no food.
We'll go down the line. Go down the line.
That's natty ice.
Okay. Brandon.
I'm gonna. I was thinking it's Coors, but it has too much carbonation for Coors. I'm gonna have to go with Natty Ice too.
That's natty ice.
I think so. I haven't had Natty Ice. I don't know what it tastes like.
We can change it.
I've had
I'm
number
on
one
the same
natty
boat
ice.
as
You
you.
put that
I was
on for
thinking
my
Coors.
card.
Yeah,
A lot of my uncles drink Natty Ice and they be crazy off that shit. So it might be Natty.
Yeah.
Natty across the board.
Natty across the board.
Natty. All right.
Straight right there. Bang.
All right, cheers, fellas. Let's give it a little swish of the smell.
This is already clicked, really?
Oh, this is.
I'm gonna smell it first.
That's.
You're a little cheating ass.
Ooh.
How's he gonna know what beer it is though?
It don't matter.
Damn, this tastes the same.
Yeah, it's the Coors Light too. Well, I mean not, but
What are our options?
Nah, I think.
Don't worry
I,
about it. Just say what it is.
this might be Heineken or Coors.
Modelo.
That's Budweiser.
Yeah, I was thinking about
This
that.
is Budweiser.
I forgot that was one.
This is absolutely.
Can we take this shit off the?
Oh, Jingle, go ahead.
I'm gonna go Budweiser.
Yep.
That's absolutely Budweiser.
You guys can't keep guessing the same shit that we guessed.
What do you want? It is, bro. Alright,
I know.
next time we'll start over there then.
Oh, okay, all right.
Alright, what are you saying, B?
Oh, Budweiser.
This tastes like White Hunters.
What?
Budweiser. They like drink Budweiser and Coors
Oh,
Light.
it tastes like.
White Hunters.
What does that even mean?
Like
white people that hunt.
People that say black.
Budweiser.
Yes.
Are we here?
All right, you grab it.
All right,
Perfect.
drink up.
Drink up.
King in the North.
King of the North.
That's Heineken. It smells like it.
Yeah.
You swear.
What we talking?
Or is this beer number 1 again?
No. This is definitely not Heineken.
No, that's not foam. That's not Heineken.
This is like
Definitely
Coors.
not Heineken.
Like Coors.
I'm feeling foam. I just Coors Light.
Coors Light.
Yeah, I think it's Coors. I'll need
They're
that.
giving us the same beer over and over and over. I'm gonna go with Coors as well because of what Danny said.
Oh wow, right?
Ain't that coffee in us?
I'm a beer drinker.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with Coors. I've shotgunned none of these. Truthfully, honestly,
What about you, B?
not heavy enough. I'm going Coors.
We gotta go to the same table. I guess our middle drinkers on the same team.
Nah.
What are you saying?
Damn.
Coors Light.
Coors.
Yeah, well, I'm not
bro.
Try it. Alright. Slowly.
That's definitely Coors.
Why you touching the phone,
This is
bro?
gotta be.
Modelo's.
Hold on. Danny, I agree with you. This is Modelo Especial.
Hold on.
It is.
Modelo's.
But when you talk about like the skunky, like fucking.
No, there's a mid.
It tastes like good kush.
Nah, it does taste a little different after the third taste. After the third taste, you already put your answer in.
Because it has that bitter taste.
What you want?
Be
Damn,
with
nigga, can I
This
get
is
a
my
taco?
first beer. This is my first
What do
beer
you
I ever
want?
had.
Heineken. We're going Heineken.
I'll check it.
Who?
I'm right here, dog.
You guys know
Listen.
that
All right.
nigga's gonna end up kissing by accident. Watch.
All right, Heineken.
Wait, what's
I'm
my-
going Heineken.
What's my butt wear? That does smell like
Should
Coors
be a
Light.
hand model. You know?
Listen,
That's
so-
Coors Light. That's Coors Light.
I feel like Coors, but
All right, so we get Coors.
Coors it is.
see, I can't.
Wrong.
Yo, we should do blind boxing.
Why you all up in his mouth?
Wait,
I
black.
feel like you're about to touch my lip. Yo, what? I call it the black room, not the red room.
He just goes mad wide with it and just closes
All right, we'll start with D.
That tastes like.
Yo,
smells
Freddie,
like
stop
Coors.
touching
It
my
smells
hand.
like Coors Light.
That shit smells like
it. Trying to guide you with
What are the options again?
Nigga,
Shut up!
Heineken, Budweiser, Coors Light, Modelo, Natty Ice, Corona.
this all smells the same.
It's all beer, goddammit.
God damn.
That shit. Let me taste
You
that.
guys are ass, bro.
This is weird. This is like cider.
What? This actually may be Modelo.
That's Coors Light. Oh man. That's Coors Light. Oh, what the
That is
fuck?
Coors. That is Coors.
Or Natty Ice.
I don't know.
That's Coors. It's Coors.
That's Coors Light. Again, for the third time, we've had it.
That hoppy taste.
Yeah, I taste the hop.
No. You can't cop. You can't.
No, I do taste it though. I'm just saying.
you
man.
didn't.
You said we can talk, right?
My mountains are blue. It's Coors Light.
You didn't taste that.
This nigga, yo.
I'm going Mendel's.
We've had 3 Coors Light.
No, it's not. No, don't do that.
That is not Modelo.
Can we stop saying Models?
It's not
Yeah, Modelo sounds like a fucking clothing store.
Sounds like a sports store.
It does.
I'm gonna go buy some slacks.
Okay, we got pressure already.
Hey. Here's the cover.
Alright, that's
We at least got one.
That's Bud.
Let's say down 3.
Alright.
And it ain't no loud.
Wait, what?
So do we take it? It ain't no loud.
Coors.
So we're going to take it
Coors.
off now?
Can we take it off now?
1, 2, 3.
Coors.
Coors Light.
Wait.
Alright, no.
That's not it. The way she said it, it's not that Coors Light.
Alright, can we have a
Take it off. The first one was.
Nacho Light.
Yay! Told you. I told you.
Alright, second one.
Your second one was
Check, nigga, check.
Budweiser.
Hey! Also, my suggestion, motherfreakers.
Oh, come on, chill.
Actually, I just played all y'all. You all said Budweiser, but it was Corona.
Why'd you do something like
You
that?
guys confused Corona. You've been drinking it all night.
That's what I said. I said we've been drinking that shit all night. It's gonna fuck us up.
Yo.
No jokes this time. It was Budweiser.
Oh, that's number 3.
And you guys said Coors.
But we drink this shit.
I know we got this one right. We got this one right.
Heineken.
You guys got it?
We got it.
Yeah, we won.
Dummies.
You ain't say that.
Brandon
Yeah.
knew that one.
Brandon said it was his first beer.
That's my first beer.
I trust him.
Number 5 was Modelo.
Modelo. You motherfuckers are trash, bro.
Number
You guys,
6,
this is definitely Bud.
Coors Light.
Yeah.
You guys are
You
terrible.
suck up, fat nigga.
Alright, so what's the total? What do we got? What do they got?
You guys have 6
Yep.
between the two of you.
What you guys got?
2.
4.
4?
You guys lost.
Maybe
Hey, which is that?
this.
Alright, so,
Damn.
alright, so we tied up right now.
Basura.
One game to one game. One game to one game.
don't mean shit.
It's about to be a comeback though. Wait on it.
Basura.
You niggas suck.
Straight out of Compton. Wait on it.
Oh, now you claim it.
Nice New York hat. How would Tupac feel about
Hey,
that?
straight out of Compton. Though.
I got you, fam. I got
Well,
you.
Tupac
That was
was
Tupac. He was born in New York. Like, what you even talking about, bro?
Sight.
Come on.
B. Yo, B.
Oh, black.
No.
Let's go. What are you talking about, bro?
You sleep
That's food.
Oh.
Come on, dang. Drink. What's better than that?
Don't give up. Come on.
Dang, drink better. Damn, Danny got it. Oh, shit. Yeah. My boy got it.